If you're a business owner, picking a logo is something you'll have to do. But do you know what your logo says about your business? In this video, we will tell you what your logo says about your business. We also share with you the 10 factors you need to consider when designing one, so please stick to the end. Hi, and welcome to Deharo Group. We are a family of 3 generations of graphic designers, web designers, and marketing communicators. Our goal in our videos is to provide you with reliable and accurate knowledge, principles, and tools for you to use in your project's journeys and in your design career path with your clients. Your logo is the first thing customers look at before deciding to buy. Having a logo that accurately tells customers what you're selling is important. A misleading or poorly designed one may tell your customers that you're either unprofessional or sloppy. Now that you know what your logo says about your business, we briefly tell you the factors you should consider when designing yours. The purpose of your logo. Your logo design should be determined by how you intend to use it. A logo to be used on a website is different from the one to be printed on t-shirts or mugs. Your logo is your brand, meaning the logo will appear on both digital and hard copy prints. If you plan to use your logo for different purposes, you'll need to have different versions. Visual appeal. If your logo is visually appealing, it enhances your brand's potential and creates a visual impression in the minds of people. An eye-catching logo is memorable and becomes synonymous with your brand or product. How your logo looks communicates to customers what your business does and the value it adds to their lives. If your logo is properly designed, it creates customer loyalty. You should aim for a logo that is conservative, contemporary, and high-tech where possible. A poorly designed logo can dent the credibility of your business even before you start. Originality. Your logo should be based on a unique concept. It should not bear resemblance to any other logo out there. This comes down to the designer you hire. Some unscrupulous designers plagiarize logos. How do you spot these types of designers? They're ridiculously cheap. A unique logo helps your brand stand out from your competitors and makes it easy for customers to recognize it. Colors. Surveys show that 80% of consumers cite colors as the main reason they recognize the brand. Colors also convey attributes such as excitement, boldness, and youthfulness. Orange is associated with feelings of cheerfulness, friendliness, and confidence. Yellow is connected to warmth, clarity, and optimism, while green represents health, peace, and growth. The shape of your logo. The shape of your logo conveys multiple concepts to the consumer at once. Let's look at the logo shape commonly used by popular brands. Abstract logos. These logos send multiple messages and elicit different emotions. Multinationals that use abstract logos include Pepsi and Nike. Abstract logos work best for big established companies advertising on TV. Geometric logos are also popular across industries. These logos convey a sense of stability because geometric shapes are mathematically precise. Companies with geometric logos include Reebok, National Geographic Channel, and Spotify. Some companies go for pictorial logos, also known as logo symbols or brand marks. They're symbolic representations of real objects. Pictorial logos can reinforce your brand name and make it memorable in the minds of customers. Big companies with pictorial logos include Apple and Twitter. You can also use crest and emblems for your logos, for this type of logo is associated with prestige and trustworthiness. It's commonly used by prestigious institutions like Harvard University. Format. The purpose of your logo should determine the format you choose. You should note all the apps that will run the logo. Work with a designer to create appropriate file formats. The formats you can pick for your logos include Vector AI Adobe Illustrator. Logos in this format can be edited in both Windows and Mac software. Vector EPS. This format can be printed on most surfaces. GIF Graphic Interchange Format. This is a low-resolution logo used for web pages and email templates. JPG or JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. Logos in this format have a full-color image with a high compression ratio. Appeal. Before settling for a logo, make sure it's appealing. It's important because your logo will stay with your business as long as it operates. You can update your logo periodically, but the basic elements should remain the same. So, how do you make sure your logo is appealing? Try using colors that will appeal to you today and in the future. Choose the right font. You should choose a font that goes with your brand. The type of font you choose can convey the voice of the brand. Some fonts best convey a serious voice, while others are lighthearted. Before selecting a font, you should also consider the aura your brand wants to convey. Get the perfect shades. Colors in logos are not just meant to make a logo look good, but to also complement the design. Colors convey specific meanings and vibes, so picking the right shade is important. Logos with shades of yellow convey happiness. This is why people associate yellow McDonald's logo with happiness. If you pick the right shades of colors, you'll be able to bond with customers at a personal level. Colors help you convey emotions like excitement, youth, and boldness. The logo should be memorable. People tend to remember logos as opposed to business names. This gives you an edge if you're planning to launch a new product or service. You just need to include the new service or product under the logo that is already known. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and check out our website on the description to learn more about us and our passion for design. More than just subscribers, we want to create a passion-driven community of designers and communicators. We'll see you again soon for our next video. Be unique and deliver excellence.